If you want beautiful views of Lake Hefner and the golf course, this house is for you. My name is Kinsley Hauser, and I'm a local realtor here in the Oklahoma City metro area. I love getting to help people every day and helping them find their dream homes. If you are looking to make the move, I'd love for you to reach out to me. You can find all the details of how to do that in the description box below. So in this house tour, I'm going to be showing you 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house built in the 1960s, just over 2,200 square feet and listed right under $400,000. Again, you have views of Lake Hefner and the golf course. This home has been recently updated, and I definitely think that you are going to love it. Right now I'm standing in this little sunroom that they have attached on, and this house is full of natural light, big windows, and is absolutely beautiful. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So coming in from the front door, you have this little sitting nook looking over into kind of your formal living room. Over there you have your bedrooms, but I want to kind of take some time to look at this space right here. So I love how you got this big window in the front with some nice little seating up here. Kind of gives you more of that formal / maybe main living area if you wanted it to be a nice place to sit, read, drink your coffee. And then you have these double doors, these barn doors going into what they have as this little office room, which I think is a cute little use of this space. You, of course, wouldn't have to use it as an office, but I do think it makes a really good office with a nice window overlooking the front yard. 2 doors there, actually. So you have these doors and then that door over there. And then again, here is your main living area with a fireplace. Nice brick going all the way around. And then that sunroom I started in is right through there, but I'll take you through there in a second. Right now, I actually want to go ahead and show you the bedroom. So this is not a split floor plan. You have all your bedrooms right here in this hallway. And so we're going to start here in the front with a really nice sized room up here with a window looking out the front. Nice closet there. And then it's not quite a Jack and Jill per se, but you do have kind of an ensuite that goes to the hallway. So you've got your toilet and then nice updated shower here. I love when there's a window just to let in natural light. And then again, you kind of are connected to this hallway going through there, but then you also have the sink that connects to the bathroom, which connects to the bedroom. So really nice big countertop. And you actually, your guests wouldn't have to use this if they didn't want to, because you do have a half bath. I'll show you that in a second. Then you've got a nice little closet here for linens. Another bedroom with a good sized closet here. And then back here is your master. So you've got definitely a really good sized master here with that big window in the back. And then you do have a closet here, but don't worry, this is not your only closet for the master. You have another closet that I'll show you here in a sec. So when you come through here, you've got this updated bathroom with your sink there. And then on the right side, you have your toilet and shower, walk-in shower here. And then if you flip it around, again, that big mirror, you have your other closet. So definitely more space here in this closet. I like these countertops, and these cabinets definitely have a really modern, nice look to them. Very sleek. So then we're gonna come out here through our hallway. We're gonna come back through here to the living space. So again, you've got this nice living area, and then your dining room's kind of in between the living room and the kitchen. So you kind of have a peek here at your dining room. That way, a nice little nook over here. I love those windows. And then you do have a nice size pantry here for, of course, extra storage, like that barn kind of door, more of like an accordion barn door, but really nice. And then again, you have views of the golf course and the lake way out there. And I'll show you kind of the sunroom in the backyard in a second, but here we have the kitchen. So updated kitchen, countertops, backsplash, cabinets, sink. I love this farmhouse sink. Again, looks very sleek, looks very modern. Really big farmhouse sink here. And then again, you can kind of look out and see. It's kind of hard to tell from the video, but that is the golf course. And then out there, like right where my finger is, that is the lake. And you can kind of see some of the boats out there. So then when you come through this way, you have a really good sized laundry room, lots of cabinets up there. And then here is your half bath. So if you had guests over, again, they could use that bathroom on the other side of the house, but you do have this half bath, which is nice just for guests coming in and out of the house, that sort of thing. And then your garage is through there. So here's kind of another view of what the kitchen looks like. I like these floors. They're very seamlessly run throughout the house. Makes it definitely have a cohesive look to it. Everything is definitely very crisp and clean and very updated. So when you come through here, we have this nice sunroom, which doesn't even need the lights on. I do have them on, but you don't even need them. So many windows, so much natural light. It is a beautiful day today here in Oklahoma City, and definitely shows how beautiful this house is with all this natural light. So when we come out here, you can see your backyard. And then again, there is the golf course. There's a flag right there. And then back over, kind of behind those trees on the far side is the lake. So you can see it easier in person than you can in the video, but you do have views of the lake and really just pretty backyard space. Again, it's a beautiful day, which makes this house tour even more fun. So when you come back through here, you kind of have this view. On a day like today, you could very easily leave these doors open and let all the nice wind and the breeze in. But I love this little room and kind of how they have it decorated here, but a nice little space. So many windows make this house so open and airy and inviting. Kind of give you one more look here into our kitchen and living area space. Again, if you are thinking about moving and you're interested in this house, feel free to reach out to me. But if maybe this isn't the house for you, but you still would like to look at some others, please still feel free to reach out. I would love just to be able to help you as you are deciding and making the move here in Oklahoma City or to Oklahoma City. Like I said, I love getting to help people, primarily people from out of state, but I love working with people in all scenarios. So please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and I'll catch you in my next one.